One of the most powerful capabilities of the Octom LinkedIn Assistant is your ability to give it a data set and for it to know what you know. What good is generating a comment if that comment doesn't have the knowledge that you have? And by using AI databases, you can give it that knowledge. These databases are referenced when generating a comment. So if you are a tech blogger who writes about the latest tech gadgets, that knowledge of your past writings, blog posts, things like that can be uploaded into an AI database. And that database is then referenced during the comment generation process. And I've got one here with my LinkedIn posts, and I've uploaded 21 of them. And you can actually test this AI database. I'll come in here real fast and ask, hey, what do I typically write about? Just by asking that question, it'll reference it and say, hey, you typically write about software engineering and personal branding, often weaving in authentic storytelling, learning from experiments in your posts, and sharing practical insights. So this is a knowledge base that the LLM and the AI agents have when they're generating the comments, and it just makes your comments that much more authentic and that much more like you. Thanks for watching.